Obviously, I'll have to cut some things out. Animal encounters. What's that? Those meerkats in this. Oh, look at the meerkats. Look at the meerkats.
Got the little ball pit.
Oh, look at them. Hello, babies.
If one came up to me, that would be well cute.
Oh, look at them. They are. They're coming up. Oh, look at that baby.
Where's the baby?
That baby there with the boot.
Oh.
Look at that.
The giant ball pit.
Yeah, and they got the ball pit.
We got a mini tire swing.
Oh, yeah, look at that one up there at the top. See? He's the lookout.
It's the king.
Yeah. Oh, look. Oh, you might be able to do it later. That's why it's meeting the meerkats later. Oh, look at these.
Oh, it says please do not feed the meerkats.
Oh, no, we're not going to. That's what the food is for. We don't feed them.
I think the meerkat's gotten into the boot. Yeah, it has.
The little baby.
Yeah, there's little babies in the boot. Oh, look at it, it's going in the boot.
How cute that is. Oh, they're cute.
The king is at the top.
He is. He's doing the lookout, isn't he? To tell the troop if there's any naughty people or naughty things coming.
Why does it look like there's a little slide there?
Probably is. It's all for these, isn't it? Yeah. Hello, babies. Oh, look at them. Isn't they cute?
You can really see the difference between the adult ones and the baby ones.
Oh, the little swing that they've got. That's cute.
The little full tire swings. Imagine me that just swinging that. They would be having the time of their life.
Oh, yeah.
I really want to pet a meerkat.
I don't know. I might see on the thing after if it lets you do it. Small animal handling. Feed the meerkats was earlier. We've missed that. Oh, no. Yeah, we missed that one.
Oh.
Animal barn. So we've missed it, unfortunately.
Animal barns here.
Yeah, you can always go in there. Oh, look at these. Hello, babies.
Where are you?
Oh, they're cute.
I'm putting my drip in my
Yeah.
bag.
Yep.
What's the food for?
Hey?
What's the food for?
Oh, it's to feed other animals. It'll tell you. See? Oh, there's the carousel that you could probably go on later.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the baby. The baby's cute, isn't it? You can see it through this camera. Oh, it's gone. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, you can feed the goats. You'll be able to feed the goats. So I can video use feeding the goats after. Oh, you can always come out and see these.
They've been throwing some fidgets in there.
Yeah, they probably play with them all.
Yeah.
Keeps them busy.
Eh? At least they're having fun.
Oh, yeah, look at them babies. Beautiful,
Look
aren't
at
they?
the king up there.
Yeah, he's the one that's keeping an eye on everything. So you'll tell them if there's trouble and they'll all go and hide.
Right inside. Yeah, it is a little slide.
See, look at that.
It is a little slide. Look at the baby one.
I'm just going to stop and take a... Right, we're going into the reptile room and then we're going to feed the goats. Let's have a look what they've got. Oh, it's meant to be a snake in here, but it's all steamed up. Meant to be a boa constrictor. Is there anything in there? Can't see nothing. Let's have a look in here. Ball python. Funny enough. I'll have a look in a minute. Well, you just looked at a ball python today. In my room. I've got one.
It's a full giant.
I'll have a look in a minute. Skinny rats. No, skinny rats have skinned off.
Oh.
They're hiding. Lenny, Larry, Lucinda, and leopard geckos.
They're in that left corner. Oh my gosh,
Yeah,
I thought that they were snakes.
that means they're all girls. And I've got one of these at home.
Right now, there's a toy.
See them there in the corner?
Yeah.
That's what I've got. I've got one of them.
Oh my god.
Right, see, Norris the Horsefield tortoise.
I think it's in there.
It's hiding. It's no flipping good, these animals hiding. They're not allowed.
It's like stuck in between the trees down there.
Nothing in there.
No,
We'll see when they bring the bugs life.
oh yeah, the snails, and there's loads of different things.
It's a bit steamed up.
Snails.
That's good. It's called. Oh, you've just seen one of these today. Bearded dragon. Remember, you're stroking her.
Yeah.
There you go. Bearded dragon. Yeah, corn snakes. One of my snakes will get as big as that. So I've got corn snakes. So those are Herman tortoises. I'll have a look at it in a minute. What we got here? Petunia, the iguana. Oh, it's at the top. I can see it. Look in that corner. Look over there. You see?
Massive!
They grow big.
Mom, go there.
Well, you've just seen one of them today. Bearded dragon.
Mom, look at this.
The iguana's asleep. Oh, pygmy hedgehog. I actually want one of these. And we see them. Nope, they're hiding. It's obviously bedtime for these because they're more nocturnal, aren't they? Sonic. How original. Can't see anything. Probably have to see them later. Right, let's go and look at this tortoise. Tiddles leopard tortoise. Let's have a look. Oh, he's keeping nice and toasty under his lamp, isn't he? There we go. So some of these animals, they're here. You've seen at my house. Yeah.
Most of them.
Yeah. We'll come back later when they do the animal handling. The goaties. Oh, I love goats. Yeah. Feeding them. You put your hand out flat and they will happily eat out your hand. Goats. And goats continuously like eating. Yeah. They will not hurt you. They really won't. Just do that. Do that. Oh yeah, they do. Yeah. Just watch because they'll push each other away because the little so-and-so's. Hello. Run away.
I want to save some food for the alpacas now.
Yeah.
Cow.
Oh, you want to see the cow? Have you got any food? Just put your hand out flat. Go over to them. They won't hurt you. There you go. Do you think, is that the first time you fed them?
Yeah.
What do you think? They're cool, aren't they?
Yeah.
Hello, guys. I'll give you some food. I'll give you some food. Yeah. Of course you can.
Whoa. Don't nip it.
They won't nip you. And there's loads of food on the floor anyway. Pick some up. You got your horns caught. Look at your head out. There we go. There you go. Oh, look at this little one.
This is the one I'm trying to feed.
Right. Just put your hand over to go to him like that. They'll jump up. That's what they do. Yeah, here you go, little one. Hello, baby. Oh, you're beautiful. It's all gone. Oh, dear. So cute. Oh, there's a reindeer over there. Trying to avoid little people. some of this can cut out. Thank goodness. You all right, Riley? Don't forget your bag. Oh, oh, the alpacas. Hello. Oh, could you tie your son's shoes?
Yeah.
My hand's a bit full. Hello, guys.
Do they eat the same food? Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Yeah? And the sheepy. And the sheepy. Oh, hello, baby. Is the cow feeding off you? Oh, you are beautiful. You are gorgeous. Look at you. Hello, baby. You're not going to let me touch you? Will you let me feed you, though?
These are like big gobs, these cows.
Yeah, but they are quite harmless cows. Quite. Not completely, but quite. Oh, you like that, do you?
Will you let me pet him?
It might, but he just backs off his bit. Wow, them horns. Oh, wow. Just think it's the same thing that your hair and your nails are made out of. And that's what that is. Hello. Hello. It's a lovely little cow. Hello. Hello. Oh, you are beautiful. No. Oh, they're shedding. They probably want food. That cow is called a Highland cow. That's what that brown cow is. It's beautiful, isn't it? No, it won't hurt you. It won't hurt you. Don't jump, because you'll make them jump. Just take your time. Hello. Look at the size of your horns. Do you want some food? Right, hello. Oh, you are beautiful. Hey, come back here. I'll give you some more food.
Sit.
Well, sit. It's not a dog.
Sit. Give this part.
Here it comes. The food. Wow. Hello.
That was shedding, man.
Yeah, that's all the shedding.
Looks like it coats.
No, look at that. Look at that. Oh. How beautiful is that? Wow, that's soft. It's soft. It's so soft. Feel the velvet on that. Wow. Hello. See, they've just been shedding.
Yeah.
Oh, you enjoying it, Riley? Good. It's got his bag.
Stole my bag.
Oh dear.
He stole my bag.
Well, there's one way of getting the rubbish.
He stole my bag. He stole my bag.
You've been robbed.
Got robbed by a goat.
Oh, this is what happens. If you bring the bag too close to them, they will take them. Right, we're going somewhere towards the little forest. The day is warmish, but it's still a bit threatening rain, so I think that's why there's not as many kids. I'm just glad if we came at the beginning of the holidays, it would have been absolutely jam-packed. And I can't be doing with that.
Yeah, you can't go in.
No, it's shutting it. Little farmers, so I think that's at a certain time as well. But then you can go on the park for a little while to about 1. Is it 1? No. I keep forgetting the bloody times. Do my head in, so yeah, we've got times here for things to do. There's a tiki bar.
What?
Tiki bar. between 11:30 to 2 p.m. So we might go over and get something after.
Yeah, it's
Let's have a look.
But it's where we exited.
Well, the pig racing, we're going to find that after.
I think the pig race is at the side because as you go up the side, there was more cases of animals.
Right, well, we can go back up there. It's just, I don't want us to start going on this yet until we get breaks in between. But we are going to go on it, so don't worry.
Let's go find where the pigs are.
So we're going to go and find where the piggies are. So let's go. Let's have a look. Oh wow, look at that bunny.
When it's time, they put them on the table.
Yeah. Cute bunny.
I like this one now.
Yeah. Well, that's what bunnies do. They just lie out flat. But then, if there's any problems, they'll jump up quickly onto the legs. And this one's called Giant Continental Rabbit. Called Ralph. Ralph the bunny. And the thing is, they will know the names. It's just, they're like cats. Jessica. Giant Continental Bunny. And it looks like Jessica's had babies.
Jessica.
How cute is she?
Jessica.
So hopefully later on you'll be able to get to stroke some of these. Wouldn't that be cool?
I could just go, hello.
Yeah, but date of birth, so she wasn't born that long ago. She's beautiful, isn't she? We've got the chicks, but we can't really see any. But I can hear them, but I can't see them. Well, we'll put, oh, do you see them? Oh, there's a little black one. That little chick.
Oh, it's cute.
It is very cute.
I can see two fat rabbits.
Let's have a look at the bunnies.
It's two fat rabbits.
One's called Crumpet and the other one's called Polly.
I like Polly.
Oh,
Polly.
oh, beautiful bunnies.
Polly. Polly. Go back.
We've got William.
If you actually listen to the video.
Sometimes they do. Oh, cute.
William.
In here we have got Roy and Felix. Bunny bachelor
I
pad.
think Rosie cats are going to feel like trying.
Hey? No, they won't.
Felix.
Felix and Roy. So the two boys is.
Roy.
How beautiful they are.
The one third one is Roy.
Oh, they are cute, aren't they?
Yes, very.
So look at this one. This one's called Chubbs and Benji.
I see.
Chubbs and Benji.
Chubbs.
What? Oh, look at that one there. This white one down there. Well, grey, white. Oh, the other one's there. He's trying to... Whoops. No, we don't want to see that. I think one of them was getting too friendly with the other one. We have got Uncle Buck and Cindy. So there's male and female in here. So they will be making babies. I know, it's cute, that one. He fancies the other one though. Let's try and turn this camera. He's like, but I fancy her. She's pretty. Don't fancy the other girl. Oh, let me out of here. Oh, there's a bird over there. You see it? It's nicking the food.
I've got a little friend there.
You're stroking it?
Yeah. Hello.
Pretty.
How you doing?
Look at the little bird nicking the food.
I know. It's a little bird.
Oh,
Make it. Come on.
oh, it's there. Did you see the bird?
I'm putting a rabbit.
Oh, the bird's down there. It looks like it's got... Probably got a nest around here somewhere, the bird. Could be. It's all part of wildlife. Take some pictures. Keep stopping taking videos and stuff and things. We can bite, do not feed us. They can, but depends on them and what mood they're in. They're just saying that. I've kept bunnies myself. I think these are probably more wild than anything. Oh no, they're selling them as well. They're actually selling the... Well, I'm not surprised. A giant continental rabbit kits, because that's what they're called, for sale. 4 bucks and 2 does. Ask staff for more info. Is there? I'll have a look at it in a minute. Hello, bunnies. People don't realise rabbits can get aggressive. But they are. But again, it's patience. Yeah, they're nicking the food, aren't they? Well, they're not stupid, are they? The birds. They know where the food is. And obviously, when it's getting near winter and everything, they know where to go. There's more birds coming in. Playing pants music. Oh, Piggy Posty.
What?
They've got names on them. Squeaky Clean Salon, Piggy Produce.
Yeah. Little bird.
That's some beautiful birdies about.
Imagine it actually came here.
Yeah, I doubt it. They're going to
Imagine it just landed on my shoulder and got me there.
very, very timid. It's listening though.
I'm naked. There's actually a little guinea pig.
Oh yeah, might be the colour of it as well.
Oh, it's actually
All right. Sometimes you get animals. You can get bald quite a few things. You get bald rats and bald cats, and but they have like really, really soft, downy fur. Yeah, that one definitely needs changing, but it will do. Probably change it at the end of the day. Flipping music. I wish they wouldn't play music when I'm trying to do videoing, so I'm trying to talk over the music so you cannot hear it because it's so annoying. I hate stupid pop music. Ah! Right, we're on to this one now. But Nancy the barn owl is in bed because that's where barn owls go, to bed. Nice little setup in here. Very cute. Do like it. Let's see what else we've got in here. This one up here. Oh, these will be chickens. And the toy tractor. Oh, yeah, golden pheasants. They're obviously in bed too. They'll come out when they're ready. I like the little swing that they have for them. Then we have the chickens. Oh, they say chicken run. Little black. Hello, you're beautiful. Don't think it'll let me touch it, but I will try. Run away. Ah! She tried to touch me. They're cute. Oh, they might be looking for food. Don't know whether they'll eat this, but we could try. Yeah, they will. There you go. They're fighting over it. It's like mine, 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 mine. Gimme. Gimme, gimme, gimme. There you go. Do you want that? I'm gonna hello, chicken. Oh, I'm no good now since I've got no food. Am I fired? That rooster, how beautiful is that? Some beautiful birds in here. Hello, birdies. Doing my head in, music's doing my head in. Jackie's trying to talk over it. Jackie's trying to talk over the music. Oh, those are pea hens, they look like to me. Yeah, Bantam Pekings. That's the type of chickens they are. They do look like peahens to me. Turkeys! I was wrong. Jackie was wrong because she's a muppet. But they are turkeys, but look how cute they are. For turkeys, they are cute. They are cute. Cute turkeys. Do like them. Oh, they're going to bed. They're like, ah, she's talking about us. Bed. They won't hurt. Oh, they are cute. Are they silkies or something?
Put your finger
Yeah,
on the head.
silkies. Now that's the sort of chicken I'd have as a silky, but I know they're expensive. Silkies, but they're beautiful though. So we've got some food for you. Yep. Gotta find out where this pig race is. I'm gonna see piggies race. I've got a funny feeling it'd be guinea pigs, not pigs. Do you want some of that? Do you like them?
Why do I really just want to pet that white one there?
Because they're telling each other off, aren't they?
Yeah, I really want to pet it.
The only way you can do it here, I'll give you a bit of food. Because I save bits for things like this. That's why it's in my back pocket, so I'm not dropping it again. But, you know, put your hand out. They will peck, but it doesn't hurt. Just relax, okay? Just put your hand out close as you can to them and bring the food forward a bit. It won't hurt, okay? It just feels a bit strange, that's all.
Hey, technically I pet the white one, didn't I?
Yeah.
Look at that one.
Yeah.
That one's skin. Oh, this is skin.
I've been brought by a kid.
The chicken's been a big fight.
Yeah, sometimes it can be stress. They do that. If it gets upset, or they're fighting with the other chickens.
Mom, this one's been a really big fight.
Yeah, you want some of this?
Imagine a chicken with no feathers.
Yeah, that's the ones that you'll be eating.
Yeah.
The ones with no feathers. There we go, kids.
Back to this way.
Yep. I think there is a tractor thing today. I'm not too sure.
It might get pet the white one. Hey.
Yeah, we'll get some drinks after. Right, still don't know where this pig thing is. I bet it's back over there. Right, let me stop.
Realise that they're not pigs. No. No. Okay. Let's get some fighting spirit music, I think. We need to get in the mood for the race. Hello, Hercules. Hi. What song do you think we should put up? He's gone. He's gone. Should we have this one? What do you think? This one? Yeah, me too.
Uh-oh.
It is physics. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your time. Just overtaken Mabel, and Mills just taking a sweet time. Okay, is it gonna be? Oh, it was Margot! Congratulations, Mabel! And here comes Mills. She's only got her legs.
No.
Okay, so who was the captain for Margot's team? Ah, it was the girl that nearly turned red. Fantastic. Okay, so let me see what I've got in my pockets. Oh, there you go. Okay, so you have won yourself a luxury holiday to Barbados. No, I'm kidding. We're on a little bit of a budget. However, you have won yourself a luxury ice cream. Well done. So if I can collect my flags back in, please. And then, if you head back towards the event barn, you'll catch the back end of Festival Survival Skills. And then at 1:30 we have the Comedy Bar, Circus Skills, and Meet the Reptiles.
Go for food.
Reptiles.
Look, the piggies.
That was just rude.
I bet you can.
How many pigs can you fit in a bucket?
Yeah. Look at them all fighting over the bucket.
Go, piggies, back to bed. And I can let the goats out first. Goodbye.
Hold on. Get on it.
We didn't spend £1.50 for the clown.
Sit on it properly. Hey. Get on it properly. Yeah, sit on it, Riley. Riley, get on, quick. Go. Yeah, hold on to the rope thing. Can't even hold on to a toy cow thing.
Stop. Hold the rope.
Yeah, you should hold the rope. Is it finished? Is it finished?
No, just let go of it. It says when your child lets go.
Right. Right, get on. Come on, no, sit on it properly. Right, hold on to the knot thing. Yeah, yes, go. Go on, Mikey. Mikey shouldn't have any problems. He's really tall. Go on then, your feet will be touching the ground nearly. Go for it. His face. Oh, look at it after. His face, there's it all. You're not so little anymore. And you,
Yeah, it's scary.
is it finished?
I've just flying in seconds.
Yeah, it's finished now. Okay. Yes, I'm videoing you petting the goat. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. Do you want some food? Oh, it's a bit spiky. Hey. Hello. Oh, you're very lovable, aren't they? They are very lovable. Them horns are strong. Do you want that? Oh, it's gone in seconds. Gone in seconds.
Mom, I'm petting it.
It's cute.
It is cute.
I want a tiny goat. Can I take one home?
I think they might notice it missing.
They've got loads of them.
Oh, no. Oh, it's wanting its chin rubbed.
Get you.
Oh. Hello. Hello.
Mine's a little different on the back.
Yeah.
Jacket.
It's having a nosy. It's like, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
Do you want me to cuddle you? Do you want me to cuddle you?
It's like, what you doing? What you doing?
I'm going to keep on petting you.
Oh. Yeah, I'll stop and take a picture. Hold on. Hold on. Just zoom out. Yes, we'll come back in here. Feet. Oh, little goatee. Not goat. Sheep. Going mad here. You want that bit? No.
Hey, Mom.
I'd have a pet sheep, I would. I'd have a pet sheep. Yes, I would. Sheep are cute. Hello, you coming over to Nosy, are you?
I want a bearded dragon.
You want a bearded dragon? But you'd have to spend every day with it. Every day. You don't want any more? Have you had enough?
Is that what you had to do? I know.
Have you had enough? Yeah? No more? I don't blame you. You're probably all fooded out.
Black sheep.
Yeah, all different. Is the goat letting you pet it? You're petting the goat. They might not eat it because I think they're all fooded out, these. The big ones may... No, it's had enough. Oh, it's eating off you. Want some food?
Thank you. Oh,
No.
You want some food? Okay.
Nope, you've had enough. You've had enough. Let's see the sheep. Go down. Ah, my camera's being a spanner. Let's go down. To the sheepy.
Scoot.
No, you've had enough.
You scoot over as well. You scoot. Come on. Scoot. Come on.
The reindeer's cute. Hello.
The one with the arms, I do not like that one.
Oh no, it's just the way they are. She's got really big antlers. Don't pull it off.
Staring at me because I left it. I was petting it.
Lots of food. No, you've got enough. Oh, what are you doing? Did you get to pet it, Riley? I think these are all fooded out, so they're not eating any more food. Ah, yes. Yay. Hello. Hello. Oh, you get to stroke it. Right, no. So it's not going to hurt you. Hello.
Don't shift me.
Says one says David and one says Mark, but they're not dudes.
Don't lick me.
They do lick you. They're not going to hurt you.
No, I don't want it to.
Well
It
then,
feels weird.
they're not going to hurt you.
No, I just love it. Yeah. Got you.
No, we're not using Tiffy. We're not using Tiffy. We're not. Hello. You are beautiful. Yes, you are. You're gorgeous cows. Hold on, I want to finish all this feed off because I don't want to carry it home. That's for sure. I want to see what their reptile meetup's like after. Alright, you, here, I'll finish off this feed. No, we're not going in Teefway. Thank you. Hold on, so I'm going to finish the bag off. There's only a little bit left now.
Beady-eyed cows.
Yeah, this way. Hold hand flat when feeding them. Yep. Right, you've got to clean my hand now. Right, that's not cleaning my hand. Clean my hand. Oh, thanks. Clean my hand, you.
They're very shaky, aren't they?
Yeah. Well, they're getting all the flies off as well. So all their skin will be very sensitive. I've got to wash my hands after. Mimi. Hello. Hello. You are beautiful. Ooh, push him out of the way. Yeah. 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 Tickles. 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 Oh, you want me to rub your horns on me? Is that what you want? You want your horns rubbed? I'll rub your horns.
Does it actually like it when you scratch its arm?
Probably, because they get itchy.
Yeah, but my nails don't get itchy.
Yeah, I know, but it's different. You can go and wash your hands, can't you? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. You can go and wash your hands. My hand's still dirty, though. Yes, it is. I'll have to go and wash it after. Yes, I will. Hello. Hello. Oh.
Hi, cow.
Proves how big they are as well, doesn't it? Just think the balls are bigger.
I know.
Got just slaver on my hand. Yay!
It's a big move. It's a big move.
Oh, they do it to shake all the flies off and everything, because they get flies and everything all over them.
I thought that was because it was scary.
No, no, that just proves how sensitive they are. And it, do you like that? Good scratch, good scratch, good scratch.
I think this cow's name's Mark.
Yeah, they've got names on them. Mark and I can't remember what the other one says. I think it says David.
David.
But it might be by the people that owns them, I don't know. But I don't know whether they are male or female. If they are male.
What's the black and white cow called?
That one's got a name on it, but I can't see it.
The milk cow. That's a Highland cow.
I know it says. Come here, I want to see your name. Nutella.
Nutella.
Nutella? You call Nutella? Looking at me like to say, yeah, and? And? Nutella. You call Nutella. It's probably the colour. That's why the Highland cow.
Yeah.
Hello.
They don't have sharp horns. I'm assuming they'd like file.
They might do. There's bits of food on the floor if you want to give them it. Like I said. They're very, very... Proves how hard them heads of yours are. Proves how hard they are.
He said move.
Move over. I know. Them naughty flies. Yeah. Right, gonna stop. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video at Cocksfield Farm. So anyway, I went and bought some stuff because I could. So I bought a pretend snake. Yes, I'm a child. Even for 15 quid, I had to get a toy snake because I could. So put it around me. Then I picked up, let's see, the other items I picked up. Picked up 2 notebooks. I like, you know, the ones that move. And that's of a little tiger. And then the other one of a kitty, which I thought was cute. Then I bought a pretend spider, which I thought was pretty cool. And then I got this, which I thought was really cute. One of them water bottles, purple with wolves on. So I'll just show you that. So I thought that was pretty cute as well. And there was something else, but I appear to have lost it. No, I haven't. I've got it still, can feel it. And then I got a meerkat, which has got the Cocksfield Farm Park logo on it, but it's obviously a meerkat. So myself, my two grandsons, Mikey and Riley, and daughter-in-law, Joni, all had fun, and yeah. So, yeah, the animal things I will just show you in pictures because there was a lot of music and a lot of kids. So I'll show you at the end the children holding the creatures afterwards. Riley got to hold, because Mikey wouldn't hold it, a chocolate millipede. The lizard afterwards wasn't a bearded dragon, but it was a sort of reptile, but I don't know what the hell it was. I did ask the name, but can I remember? So if you know the name of the lizard that the boys are holding afterwards, let me know. Anyway, on to the pictures.